Hello, one second, guys. Hi, hello, one second, guys. Hi, hello, one second, guys. So let me switch on the AC. Give me 2 minutes. Hello, one second, guys. So let me switch on the AC. Give me 2 minutes. Hello, one second, guys. So let me switch on the AC. Give me 2 minutes. Hello, one second, guys. So let me switch on the AC. Give me 2 minutes. Hello. Hi, welcome to our channel Selenium Tech Automation, guys. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries, okay, so you can ask me from our live chat. So it will be always open for you if you have any queries to discuss. Okay, if you want any suggestions, you can just let me know from the comment section or from this live chat section. Okay, so that I will reply to back you. Okay. So if you want to discuss any concept also, you can let me know in the live chat so that I will discuss accordingly. Come on, guys, if you have any queries, so from manual testing point of view, or hi Suresh Ramawat, good evening buddy. So welcome to our channel Selenium Tech Automation. So if you have any queries, you can just let me know from the live chat so that we will discuss together. Okay, so come on, guys, if you want to discuss any topic, okay, if you want to know about any topic from both automation testing or manual testing, okay, you can just reply back me in the live chat, so accordingly I will reply to you. Or if you want any suggestions, okay, so you can just let me know from the live chat so that I will take every question and I will provide you the solution, and also it will helpful for me as well to discuss with you. Okay, so and also I'm uploading videos on daily basis, so those videos are getting a good response because of you guys only. Okay, so we will discuss here. So if you have any doubts or if you have any queries or if you want to know about how it will be the automation and feature point of view, okay, so those and all we can discuss from here. Okay, so this session is only for question to answer live session. Okay, so and also if required, if you want to know about any topic, so you can just ping inside our live chat so that I will discuss accordingly. Oh, is it? Sound is very low, so let me check. 1 second. Settings, audio, or from here it is okay, right? Okay, now I think it is okay now. If not, let me know, Suresh. Okay, I will adjust accordingly. So audio, right? Okay, advanced audio properties. Okay, everything is 200 only, no problem. So I think you can try to increase your volume now. So now it is okay, Suresh. Thank you so much for visiting my channel or our channel Selenium Tech Automation. It is especially for the people who are looking for job and also people who are planning to start their career from automation testing point of view as well as manual testing point of view. Okay, so you can ask me any kind of questions if you have, and also if you can ask me how interviews, okay, so related topics you can just mention in the live chat. Okay, I will reply accordingly. Okay, no issues. So is it okay now, Suresh Ramawat? Is it okay now, or it is still the same, the audio quality? If required, I will adjust. I will change my socket to other socket. That headphone socket I will move to other socket. Okay. So if you have any queries, okay, if you have any queries, you can just ask me here. So accordingly, I will reply back to you. Or you want me to discuss any topic, like you know, like from our channel we uploaded many topics, right? Sorry, we discussed many concepts from Selenium and also from manual testing. So apart from that, if you want to know anything else, you can just, yeah, thank you so much, Suresh Ramavat. Thank you for your response. Come on, if you have any questions, you can poll complete 5 votes. Which tutorials you are expecting from our channel in upcoming days? Okay, let me poll complete. Okay, so again I am asking here, which tutorials you are expecting from our channel in upcoming days. Okay, so you can just mention your poll here, so accordingly I will update videos from both manual or automation. Okay. Okay, ask community. Yeah. Okay, do you have any questions, Suresh Ramavat? You can just ping me in the live chat, or if you want to know about any concept, you can let me know from the live chat section, so that I will discuss the same. Okay, so this chart especially for discussing the live question to answer. Okay, so hi, now 5.1 version Selenium dependencies we updated in our project or Maven project. Now the question is, after without writing WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Sorry. So is 5.1 released now in the market? Sorry, I did not check about that one. So let me check from here whether it is available or not. seleniumhq.org. Okay, let me check, or we can check it from Maven repository. Okay, Maven repository. Let me check from here whether it is there or not. Okay, Selenium, right? Selenium Java. Still it is 4.2.2 only. You can see here the stable version is 4.2.2. Okay, it is the latest version, so I don't think so that 5.1 is available in the market currently. So if it is available means that is beta version only, it is not the final version. Yeah, sure, Suresh Ramawat, you can, no problem. So this session will be only for discussing the concepts what you are asking me now, right now. Okay, so we will discuss, no problem. Okay, come on guys, if anyone new to our channel, please subscribe to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. So here I am providing all the concepts along with full or complete notes. Okay, complete notes I am providing here. Come on guys. Okay, one second, Suresh, one second. Let me open our stream from other device so that it will be easy for me to read all your charts. Okay, one second. Huh? Okay, okay, let me check it from here. It's okay, right? Yeah. My voice is clear now. Oh, WebDriver driver equals to WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver create dot create. We can write to execute, but if we execute through like this browser, 1 second. So let me open my Eclipse at the same time so that I will show you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, launch equals to WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot create. We can write to execute, but if we execute through like this, browser was closing automatically without writing the. Actually, your browser is launching at least or not? Is your browser launching properly or not? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So in the latest version of Selenium, so actually why you are writing WebDriver manager? It's not required, right? If we are using some GitHub Boni Garcia inside our Maven pom.xml file, so then only we are going to use this WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver, right? So how you are doing? Browser launching properly. Okay. So no, it is launching the browser, but your driver focus is missing after launching. For example, so my browser launched like this. Okay, again it is immediately closing like this, right? So maybe the driver what you are declaring, right? That WebDriver driver equals to new WebDriver or Chrome driver. So there it is missing something. Okay, so you have to check why it is closing there. So it should not be like that if we write properly. Okay, so for example I will show you here. So for edge driver, so let me, or else you can try it in different way. For example, if I want to launch my browser with edge driver, so I can create a separate class for that one. Okay, and also if you want to write a logic to launch the browser for Chrome browser, so likewise if we have like there are 4 or 5 browsers, okay, for all these 4 or 5 browsers, so I will create a separate classes. Okay, so inside these classes I will create some interface, not in these classes. So I will create a separate interface, so where that interface don't have any body with the methods. Okay, so that interface not having any body for the methods what we created. Okay, so for those methods we are going to implement inside our actual class, that is Chrome driver or edge driver. So there we can use this WebDriver manager. Okay, so with the help of that one, so it is not going to close. So that is the good practice to write code like that. Okay, so let me write like this, what you are suggesting, WebDriver driver equals to new edge driver, right? Yeah, so better to create a separate classes for all the browsers, so there you can create one more interface, so where this interface having a method without some body. Okay, so that method you are going to implement inside this one of the particular browser classes. For example, for Edge browser I created one class, for Chrome browser I created one more class, for IE browser I created one more class. So there you can implement the method what you created inside an interface, so that it is not going to close every time, because we are returning the WebDriver for each and every browser classes. For example, so if I am executing my code from the Edge browser, so there I will implement that method, so where we created that method inside the interface. So during this interface method, that method doesn't have any body part, right? So that unimplemented method I am going to implement inside this browser class, for example Chrome browser class. So I am going to implement that method here with the help of interface. Okay, so by end of the class, so I am going to return that particular driver, that is Edge driver. If it is for Chrome browser, I will return that Chrome browser. If it is for IE browser, I will return that IE browser. Okay, so in this way if we write so it is we are not going to use the same instance for each and every execution. Okay, we are going to use different instances for each and every browser. Okay, yeah, so any other questions, guys? If you want, you can just let me know from the live chat. I will discuss accordingly. So first of all, Suresh Ramavat, so nowadays 5.1 is not available. Just now I checked from Maven repository. You can see here the latest stable version is 4.2.2. Okay, maybe that is a beta version. Even I searched for that one as well. So here, okay, let me check Selenium. Okay, so again I am checking Selenium server. So here you can see for Selenium server that 4.0 is the alpha version. Okay, it is not yet stable. The stable version is 3.1.41.59 only. So when it comes to Selenium Java version, so there the stable version is 4.2.2, I guess, right? 4.2.2 is the stable version. Okay, you can add this dependency. I don't think that 5.1 is a stable version. Still that is in alpha, I mean that is in testing phase only. Okay, so I think so. Maybe because of that one also it is not going to work for you, because of that bit a stable, I mean because of it is not a stable version, it is not going to work for you. Okay, maybe that is also one reason. If you have any other questions, guys, you can just ask me here from the live chat. I will reply back to you accordingly. So it will be from interview point of view, it will be from preparation point of view, it will be from if you are a real-time employee. If you have any queries, you can just ping me from the live chat, so that I will try to explore, I will try to provide you one solution for that question what you are expecting. Okay, so come on guys, if you have any other questions, you can just let me know. So soon we are going to conduct some mock interviews also. Okay, soon we are going to conduct some mock interviews as well. Okay, so why I am not conducting now means because I don't have that much support. Still I need more support from your end, so that I will buy that Zoom product. Okay, like that is a prime version I have to take to conduct some mock interviews from YouTube. So once if I will get enough support or enough subscribers, so accordingly I will plan for conducting the mock interviews. Okay, conducting that mock interviews from both manual testing and as well as automation testing. And also these interviews are applicable for freshers as well as for experienced candidates who are having more than 2 years or 3 years. Okay, soon I will try to do that one. Before that, I want some support from your end. So once if it is done, so I will definitely try to keep some mock interviews so that which will be helpful for you as well. Okay, come on guys, if you have any other questions, you can directly let me know from the live chat. Okay, so I will be here to support you always. If you have any questions, okay, so regarding how to prepare for interviews, how to create scripts. Okay, so if you have any questions like that, you can just ping me in the live chat, so I will reply back to you accordingly. Okay, So this session is especially for to discussing the question to question. Okay, if you have any questions, just directly let me know from the live chat, so accordingly I will reply back to you. Okay, no problem. If you want to know about any other concepts also, you can definitely ping me in the live chat. It will be always welcome for you to ask the questions if you want. Okay, come on guys. So, and also I asked you one poll, so there you can just go and poll your vote, which concepts you want in upcoming videos from our channel, whether it is from manual testing or whether it is from automation testing. And also I discussed about how we can do database testing with the help of Selenium, and also which database I used. I already made one live session for this topic. If you want, you can check that video as well. And also I uploaded manual testing point of view concepts along with the complete notes. Okay, because there are some non-technical people also there, so for them it will be helpful for them to know about the basics of testing, so that's why I am doing that. Can you start Postman API series? Yeah, sure, definitely I will prepare that series, like part 1, part 2, part 3, how many videos will be available. I will try to make it from next week, Monday onwards. Okay, and also I will discuss about REST assured frameworks, how we will configure. Okay, before that I want to use that Postman tool to check it manually, and also how we can configure that to Eclipse, and how we can do that web services testing also. Definitely Suresh Ramawat. I am just writing down all the requirements what you are expecting. So accordingly, I am going to made videos. Okay. Accordingly, I am going to make videos and I am going to upload from our channel Selenium Tech Automation. Yeah, definitely. And also last time when we conducted this live session, one of our subscriber or friend asked make videos from Appium mobile testing as well. Okay, so soon I am planning to do that videos as well. Currently, yesterday I planned to keep one live session, because of some work, so I did not fulfill it. Sorry for that. Okay, so definitely I will try to do videos from both mobile testing video related and also from Postman related. Okay, so definitely soon you can expect videos from my channel Selenium Tech Automation. No worries. Okay, so if you have any other questions, like how to prepare interview, what questions you are going to face during your interviews, how we can answer, so these kind of questions you can definitely ask me from here the live chat. Okay, accordingly I will reply back to you. Okay, come on guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also please check out my videos on daily basis, what videos I am uploading. Okay, because those videos are getting good response with the help of you only, so I hope you people will continue the same for our upcoming videos also. Okay, so let me show so far what are the topics we discussed, we will see now. Okay, so let me close all these tabs. We will see one by one so far how many topics we covered from our channel from Selenium point of view. Okay, so this class is especially for how to handle or how to perform read and write operations on Excel documents. Okay, so this entire tutorial is available in our channel, so if you want you can just go and check out that video as well. And also I discussed about auto IT examples as well, so how we can automate the window based pop-ups. Okay, how we can handle this file uploads. Okay, so later I discussed about how to automate cookies, and also I discussed about database testing concept here, one of our live session earlier. Okay, and also I discussed about how we can handle the files, that is txt files. So and also what is headless browser and types of headless browsers. Okay, and also how we can highlight the web elements. For example, if there is any login like username and password, so those fields how we can highlight with the mentioned color. For example, if I want to highlight that particular web element, with yellow color or any kind of color, how we can highlight that particular web element I covered here. And also I am planning to do a video about how we can automate the PDF files as well. PDF automation, you can see here I have already created some piece of code. It is in progress. Maybe in 1 or 2 days we can expect a video for that one as well. And also how we can read and write the, how we can fetch the uh, data from the properties file. For example, you can see here configuration. Inside this configuration we have one config.properties file here. Okay, so here how we can call this into our application, okay, with the help of properties file. So how we can send this URL, how we can send this username and password, and how we can launch our browser, what we mentioned inside this properties file. Okay, so later on, so I covered this page object model as well, that is about Orange HRM login. Okay, and also we discussed about how to capture screenshot, whether it is for whole page or whether it is only for particular web element. Okay, that one also we covered here. And also I discussed about the concept called Sikuli. So how we can automate the application with the help of Sikili. Okay, it is completely based upon the image recognition only. So here also you can see I tested, I made on demo with the help of Orange HRM Live.com application. So there what I am doing, I am uploading one file here. You can see here with the help of screen class and with the help of pattern class. So I'm automating this particular scenario. Okay, how we can upload the files with the help of SQL as well. Okay, so and also we discussed about what are all the different WebDriver commands we have. So you can see here get attribute, why we are using this get attribute, what is this get size method. Okay, so likewise what is this send keys method, and also what is this navigation commands. Okay, so likewise we can have that screenshot concept also here. Okay, so we discussed many topics from our channel. So if you don't know about all this, you can just go to our channel and you can just explore the videos. And also how we can select a drop down list, how we can select a value from that particular drop down list, and also what are the different methods we can have to automate this drop down list, and also how we can automate the checkboxes as well. So these are all the different methods which are available inside our Selenium to automate a application. And also you can see here how we can handle the multiple windows as well, I covered here. And also how we can get the title with the help of driver.getTitle we can. And also we discussed about is displayed and is enabled. Okay, and also we discussed about get text method. Okay, these are all the Selenium WebDriver commands. These are all the basic commands to know before moving to the automation. Okay, so later we discussed about generics class. Okay, so how we can create reusable methods in a generic way. For example, you can see here I created many methods here. So let me open one by one. So here it is only for launching the browser, that is called as Edge browser. Okay, and also we are adding some loggers here. Also you can see here, so how we are entering the URL with the help of properties file concept here. You can see application.url, the same you can find it from here, application.url. Okay, this is my URL that is going to store with the help of key and value pair. That is the method for launching the browser along with the URL. Okay, and how we can create a reusable method for clicking on a particular web element. Okay, and also we created one reusable method for send keys. Okay, so these are all related to the page object model, how we can create reusable methods in a generic way, so that this reusable method we can use n number of times, so when we are going to automate our application. Okay, so every time no need to mention dot send keys, dot send keys, dot send keys. Okay, so these are the methods which we have to create. Okay, so this task will come into picture when you are working with real-time projects. Okay, so there you don't find any hard-coded values or hard-coded methods every time. Okay, we need to maintain some standards if we are working in any other organizations. Okay, and this method is for how we can wait for a particular web element to be loaded. And finally we are having one more method that is called as send keys along with the JavaScript, how we can do, and also how we can accept the alerts with the help of driver.switch to.alert.accept, and how we can use this actions class here. Okay, so these are all the reusable methods, okay, where I am going to use inside my pages. Okay, if you want to see here login page, okay, orange login page is a separate class. So there I am using page object model with the help of @find by element. So I initialized one web element here, username, password and login button. So how we will reuse that particular methods what we created inside our generics class. If for example, if you want to know about the case web element, so where it is coming from, generics class. So likewise I can reuse the same method for n number of pages. For example, orange PAM login page, this is also one page, right? So here also you can see how I am using here case of web element. Case web element means we need to create some reusable methods in generic way, so that we can use all these methods throughout our framework, right? So that is the main objective of this particular generics class. Okay, so and also you can see here properties class. Okay, so for example, you know this one, right? Application.url. So this is how I created one particular method. So the same particular method I am going to call here. Okay, so here you can see app.username, app.password. So these are coming from the properties class. For example, app.username, app.password. Okay, username text field is the method. Okay, so this username text field you can see here, this one. Okay, so likewise we have to create some reusable methods to use throughout our framework. Okay, so come on guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. And also if you have any doubts, you can just ping me in the live chat, so that I will discuss accordingly. Okay, so many topics we discussed so far, and also we discussed about why do we need constructor in Selenium, and also we discussed about what is Selenium database testing. Okay, and also we discussed about how we can do that XPath XML parsing. Okay, XML parsing means, so in the UI you are getting some XML, so how we will convert that XML into XPath. Okay, that concept also we discussed here. So come on guys, if you have any questions, you can just directly mention in the live chat, so accordingly I will reply back to you. So this session is only to discuss about the pros and cons. If you have any pros and cons, and also if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, if you are struggling to get a job, if you are not able to finding any path, okay, you can just ping me in the live chat, so accordingly I will discuss. Okay, and also earlier we discussed about how to what is keyword driven framework. Okay, how we can maintain the test data, and also you can see there are many concepts we discussed. Test ng concept also we discussed. Okay, so you can see here comparing contents, data provider annotation. So many concepts we discussed here, how to automate the drop down list, and also what is depends on methods. Okay, these are all the concepts where you can find from our channel. Okay, so how we can handle the suggestions. Okay, how we can read a particular line from the text file. Okay, how we can read the text file line by line. For example, if there are 4 lines, I want to read line by line. For example, first line I want to read, second line I want to read, third line I want to read, fourth line I want to read. So how we can automate those scenarios. So many things I performed here, and I uploaded many videos, and also we discussed about test ng assertions as well. So many content, okay, many videos I have uploaded since from last 1 or 2 months. So from last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we are getting very less number of count with respect to the views or with respect to the subscriber count. So I don't know what is going to happen or what is happening. Anyway, I am trying my best to explore more videos where it is going to help you at least 1 or 2%. Okay, so if you found our videos are helpful for you in terms of 1% at least or 2%, so please don't forget to drop a like for that particular video. So your each and every like or your each and every subscription will helps me to do lot more videos. Okay, which helps me to do a lot of videos. Okay, so come on guys, so I need your more support to going forward. I need more support from your end as well. So if you have any queries, you can just ping in the live chat, so that I will reply back to you. Okay, no issues. Currently only 3 people are watching, 2 people are watching currently. So come on guys, if you have any queries, you can just ping. Okay, So there is some network issue. Come on guys, if you have any queries you can just let me know, or if you want to discuss me any other topic. For example, there we have uh, test ng concept or parallel execution what is, and also Selenium grid or Jenkins or Jira, any kind of concepts you can just let me know from the live chat. So I am here to help you. At the same time it will motivate me to me as well to do more videos. Okay, so come on people, please support the stream, and also please share our videos to our friends or colleagues so that they will also learn about the concepts what we are discussing in our channel. Because I am not going to make you very complex videos while understanding. So I am just telling in a simple way how we can do all these things. Okay, so come on guys, if you have any questions, please do let me know from the live chat. So this session is especially for you people only, so discuss with me as well. Okay, come on guys. So come on guys, if you have any questions, please do let me know from the live chat. So this session is especially for you people only, so discuss with me as well. Okay, come on guys. Or if you want to make any other concept here, okay, I am there to now I am there now to discuss with you the concepts what you are expecting. Okay, come on guys. So I'm expecting a little support now. At least 3 or 5 people will be also available, no problem. So based upon the live viewers, so I'm going to discuss about you the more concepts. Okay, so any concept if you want to know, please let me know from the live chat. I will try to keep you posted here. Okay, come on guys. If you want any other things to know, please let me know from the live chat. So I will try to provide you the best solution up to my knowledge. Okay, if I don't know I will simply tell you I don't know. Okay, if I know means I will try to fulfill your question. So in all the terms like while understanding, while creating any kind of thing, so I will try to make one good solution for that one. Okay, come on guys, if you have any queries you can just let me know from the live chat. Okay, we will discuss one to one. So what is your requirement, based upon that requirement I will provide you one solution. Okay, so nowadays everyone is busy with their schedule work, so even I am also busy. So at least I am spending 1 hour or half an hour, so where you are getting some knowledge from my channel Selenium Tech Automation, which will be helpful for you only. So in terms of interviews, in terms of preparation, in terms of creating the logic, in terms of understanding the testing concepts, any kind of thing if you want to know, please let me know from the live chat, so it will helpful for you. So based upon your support I will try to conduct these live sessions in upcoming days as well on daily basis. Okay, so please guys, if you want to know about any other concepts also you can just let me know. So if I know about the concept what you are expecting, I will provide you the solution on time only. If not, you can expect after 1 day later. Okay, after 1 day or 2 days you can expect particular concept video from our channel. Okay, so come on guys, if you have any other questions, if you have any other questions also you can ping me from the live chat. Okay, currently 2 people are watching, so please guys, the people who are watching, at least if you have any questions you can just directly ping me in the live chat, so that I will provide you the solution. Sir, if we don't have locators then how will inspect and automate? So if we don't have locators means, so first of all locators will be there. Locators means what? Means XPath or CSS or name ID. Okay, so these are all the locators, right? So without having any locators, how we are going to automate first of all? So if there are no locators also, so at least that DOM structure is available, means HTML DOM structure is available, right? So based upon that HTML DOM structure, so we are going to create some XPath like absolute XPath or relative XPath. Okay, means absolute XPath means that is a good practice. Okay, so we no need to mention the complete X path starting from the root to child. Okay, so if we are mentioning from root to child means that is relative X path. If you are not mentioning from root to child means that is called as absolute X path. With the help of these two we can easily identify the elements, but very rare conditions, I don't think without having any locator that web element is not be there inside your UI. At least that HTML DOM structure will contain some at least one locator. If locator is not available, you can take that complete XPath, that is absolute XPath or relative XPath. So accordingly we can automate. Okay, at least we can automate with the help of the text what we are getting from the UI. For example, there is some login button which don't have any locator. So during that time what we will do, we will try to use the contents method, contents text of contents text equals to login. So then what this Selenium will do, based upon the text what you mentioned login, so accordingly it is going to perform the click operation. Okay, so I don't think any UI page is not having any locator. So there should be a locator. If locator is not available means, so we can take or we can create that relative XPath or absolute XPath. With the help of these two concepts we can easily automate that particular scenario. Okay, so very rare conditions. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, Priya Brata. Thank you so much, Priya Brata. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. If you have any other questions also, you can definitely directly ping me in the live chat. Okay, so definitely there will be some locators. If locators are not there, so then we have to create some XPaths like absolute XPath or relative XPath accordingly. Okay, so thank you for your question. So I hope it will be clear for you, Priya Bharta. Thank you so much for visiting the channel Selenium Tech Automation. If you have any other questions, so please do let me know from the live chat. Okay, please do let me know from the live chat. So accordingly I will reply back to you. Come on guys, any other questions can I expect from you? If you have any questions, please do let me know from the live chat. Thank you so much, Priya Brata. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. If you have any other questions, you can please let me know from the live chat only, because this session will be helpful for you at least 1% or 2%. If you are attending for any interviews, or if you are struggling how to prepare interviews, or how to understand the automation concepts or manual concepts, okay, in all the terms I am going to cover with the help of these sessions only. Okay, so if you have any queries, any kind of queries which are related to job or anything, so you can just let me know from the live chat. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Priya Brata. Welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much. So if you have any other queries, you can just let me know from the live chat, so I will provide you the solution. Okay, come on guys, come on. So we have plenty time now. Okay, we have enough time to discuss all the things. Okay, no problem, we will discuss everything slowly. And also I discussed and I uploaded many videos from our channel, so please go through our channel and find out the videos what you are looking for. Okay, so maybe it will be helpful for you when you are attending for any interviews, or when you are preparing for any interviews. So maybe our videos will help you at least 1 or 2%. So please check out all the videos from our channel Selenium Tech Automation. At least the concept what you are looking for, so that concept video is available inside our channel if it is there. Okay, if it is not there, you can just mention the comment to the particular video, so accordingly I will read your comment and I will provide a separate video based upon your comment section. Okay, so please guys. Yeah, good question, a good question. Shravan Nivas, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. Before that, so welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation, Shravan Nivas. So how to install jar files for automation? So I will show you clearly. So let me open Eclipse here. Okay, I have already opened Eclipse here, right? So if you want to download any jar file, okay, yeah, no problem, no problem, Shravan Nivas. So this session is especially for the people who are starting their career from automation, or the people who already started the automation career, or the people who are already experienced guys. So for all those kinds of people, so I am thinking like at least from my side, maybe it is 1 or 2% you will get at least help, right? So that's the reason why I am making all these videos. So how we can add jar files, okay, for automation, right? So how to install? So for example, you can see here. So if I want to install, okay, if I want to install a Selenium jar file, right, what you are expecting, so I'm going to provide. So for that, okay, how we can install a jar file? For that, you can simply open this mavenrepository.com. So here mvnrepository.com. So here you can search for Selenium, for example. So Selenium I typed here. Okay, let me zoom a little. Okay, Selenium I typed here, right? So after typing the Selenium, you can see here there are several dependencies. So what I want to do, I want to automate an application with the help of Selenium tool. So for that, what I will do, I will click on this Selenium Java or Selenium server. So you can simply scroll down a little. Okay, you can simply scroll down a little. So here you can see, you can find all the versions till to date, what all the different versions are available. You can find all the versions. Okay, you can choose the version what you are based upon your requirement. For example, I want to add this jar file to our Eclipse. So how we can do? So just click on that particular version, that is 4.2.2. so here you can see, if you are using Maven project, so you can directly add this dependency file. Okay, if you are using Maven project, I am telling. So if you are using Maven project means directly add this dependency, like Control C and go to your pom.xml file. If you are using Maven project, I will come. If you are not using Maven project, I will tell you that one also. So once if you created Maven project, so Maven project, how we will add all our jar files with the help of dependency tags only, right? So just now we took the dependency file for Selenium version, right? That is 4.2.2. This is the latest version of Selenium. Okay, so if you are using Maven project means directly open your pom.xml file. So by defaultly this pom.xml file will come if you are creating Maven project. So inside this pom.xml file, you can find one dependencies tag here. So inside that dependencies tag, you can just directly paste that the version what you copied from Maven repository. Okay, so this is how we can add dependencies tags for Maven project. If you are using non-Maven project, so how we can add jar files means, so just directly right click on your project. Okay, here you can go to properties, or you can directly go to build path. Okay, right click, you can find here build path or properties. Okay, now I will show you from build path option. Here you can click on the configure build path. Okay, configure build path. Okay, so here you can see here, after clicking on the configure build path, it will automatically take you to this Java build path. Or here you can see, you can have source, projects, libraries, order and exports, right? So here you can click on add external jars. Okay, so after clicking on that add external jars, so I have already some couple of jars which are related to SQL or anything. You can see all my jars are available inside this D drive, right? So what I will do, I will add simply any one of the jar file. For example, if I want to add anything, okay, HTML unit 1.10 jar, I can click on open. Okay, see, simply it got added here. Okay, and if I want to remove means, I will click on this remove button. Okay, so then click on apply. So now I am going to click on cancel. So and also we can go from properties also. Go to properties, you can see here it is directly taking you to the add external jars only. So the same step, click on add external jars and add your required jar file. Okay, so this is how we can add the jar files which are required to our project from both Maven project and also non-Maven project. Okay, so right now I am working on, yeah, hi Priyabrata, thank you so much for one more question. So right now I am working on database automation and if I want to run automate multiple query and print all the result in one XLSX sheet, and also the query is also print on the XLSX. So the question here is right now. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. I am just discussing about Srinivas question. Okay. This session I will keep for you. Maybe after 1 hour also I will keep. No problem, Priyabrata. I will discuss each and every concept in a very clear way. No problem. Okay. But there will be some delay because Shravan Nivas asked one question. I am just explaining him. After that I am going to pick your question only. So currently we are working on database automation part, that looking great, and also I want to run automate multiple queries and print all the results in XLSX sheet. Okay, then you can use Apache Py, right? Apache Py is a third party tool, so with the help of Apache Py we can easily handle these read and write operations, right? So which means read and write operation means that is file input stream, you need to mention that XLSX path. So thereafter you need to go to your workbook. So thereafter you have to go to your sheet. So thereafter you have to go to your particular row. Okay. So then the next question here is, and I need perfect framework design in that particular part, I am lagging. So perfect framework means what is your requirement, whether you want some page object model, or you want to follow some keyword driven or data driven framework, or hybrid framework, or BDD Cucumber framework. So which framework you want to use exactly, you need to mention that one. So accordingly I will tell you. Okay. So nothing, if you are planning to build a framework with the help of page object model means, so I will show you from here only. So because I have already created one page object model here. Okay. So what is your exact requirement, you can just let me know in the live chat. I will definitely provide you the solution. Actually this is a good question what you asked now. Okay. Shravan Nivas, so are you cleared about the question what you are asked now, just now? Are you clear how we can add jar files inside our Eclipse? Yes, Ravan Nivas, is it clear for you too how to install jar files for automation? If yes, we will go to the question what asked by Priyabrata. If not, you can ping me in the live chat. And also for Priyabrata, so yeah, I am asking for both page object model and for Cucumber. Okay, so I will right now, I don't have any framework for Cucumber. So I will soon I will do framework for Cucumber as well. Okay, so later our videos you can expect that framework also, Cucumber how we can make. Okay, before that I will show you how we can create page object model. Yeah, thank you so much Shravan Nivas. If you have any other questions you can directly ping me in the live chat. Okay, no problem, so don't feel hesitate to ask me. Okay, any questions you can ask me, no problem. Yeah, Priya Brata, so coming to your question, so I am asking for both page object model and for Cucumber. Okay, so right now I have a framework called page object model, but I don't have Cucumber framework, but I know how to build that Cucumber framework as well. So maybe you can expect in a couple of weeks or in a couple of days about Cucumber framework as well. But now I am going to show you so how we can create a page object model. Okay, so for that, so I just designed one basic like for only login page and one more page I created. So let me, are you able to see this one now? So let me close all these things. So these are all not required currently. Okay, so let me close all. Okay, I'm going to show you for Priyabrata question. So like how page object model will looks like the framework. Okay, so for that, so what is a page object model? I covered the topic already. So now I am just going to show you how that framework will looks like. Okay, so first you can see here we created one package called as Amazon regression dot pages, right? Okay, this is not the correct one, so I have to go to this regression. Okay, so here you can see we have one, okay, we have one package called as regression.amazon.pages. First of all, it is a Maven project. Okay, first of all it is a Maven project. So inside that Maven project we created a package called as generics package. So what does the generics package will do? It is having all the reusable methods. Okay, so this generics class is having all the reusable methods. Okay, so let me minimize zoom level. Okay, so you can see here, this is a framework structure for page object model. Okay, so first we created one package under src main folder, the package name called generics. So inside this generics we created one class called as generics class. Okay, so here what is generics class means, so where we are going to reuse the same components throughout the framework. Here components means methods. Okay, so here components means methods, in this case components means methods, right? So here you can see I created a method for launching the application along with the URL, right? So this is the method for that one, and also we created one more method for clicking on a particular web element. Okay, and also we created one more method for to enter the some test data. For example, if I want to enter username or password, so I can call this method. Okay, so likewise we can create all the reusable methods in a generic way. So here generic way means we can create only once, we can reuse the same method for all the test cases, right? So that's the reason why we created this generics class, to store all the reusable methods throughout all the framework. So here send keys means, select drop down means, okay, clicking means, waiting means, and accepting alerts means, mouse over and click means. So these are all the actions, right? These are all the actions we are going to perform on our application, right? So for that reason we created all these methods in a class called as generics class, right? So this generics class present inside a folder called as src main folder. Okay, so that is about generics class. Okay, so now moving to the next package, that is called as pages. Okay, com.regression.amazon.pages. Okay, this is a naming convention for each and every framework we have to follow if we are using maven means. Okay, so this is a naming convention, all are small letters only. So here page object model means, okay, we have to create classes for all the pages. So for example, you can see this is one page, right? For maven repository this is one page. If I clicked on any other, okay, documentation, this is one page. For downloads this is one page. You can see here it is navigating, right? And also you can see for support tab it is one page. So for any application, if it is having more than one or two pages, so then we are going to create the classes accordingly. For login page we created one separate class. Okay, for login page, and also sorry, for orange hrm I am telling, sorry, for orange hrm login I created one separate class, and also for orange pim page I created one separate class. For home page we created one more separate class. For logout page we have to create one separate class. If there is any shopping page like cart page, we need to create one separate class. So likewise we have to create all the classes based upon your application pages. We have to segregate all these into separate page classes. Okay, so after that for each and every class we need to create one constructor. Here you can see we created one constructor. So why we created this constructor means, to use the same instance of browser execution. Okay, for example, if I am using edge driver means I have to use the same browser throughout my execution, right? Instead of that, instead of following the same instance, I am taking one more instance for Chrome browser. Okay, that is not the correct way. If we are using one edge browser means that should be the same for all your execution, right? So that's the reason why we are creating one constructor to maintain the same instance or same browser instance throughout our execution. If I am executing edge browser means, so I don't want to execute the same from the Chrome browser at a time, right? So I want to execute all my scripts from the same browser only. Okay, so that's the reason why we are creating constructor here, to use the same instance of that particular browser, right? So after that what I did here, I created one, okay, after that what I did here, I created one login action. Okay, what we are going to do here, login action. So we are going to enter our username, we are going to enter our password, right. So we are going to enter our username, we are going to enter our password, right. So anyway, we created this send keys web element inside our generics class, means we can use this send keys web element throughout your framework or throughout all your pages, right. So in the same way, if we have to select any drop down option, right, if I want to select any date of birth, like month I want to select, so we can use the same method throughout our framework, right. So in the same way, I used this send case web element for this login, means entering the username, entering the password. So after that, I want to click on the login button, right. So this method is also we created inside our generics class. Okay, so this is for login. Okay, this is to perform the login action. So after login, okay, after login, let me open you that particular orange HRM login application, so that I will tell you in brief way. Okay, so let me open orange HRM login site. Okay, so this is for launching the URL and entering the username. You can see here this method, okay, what we written here, login page, right. So this send case web element method, what it will do, it will click on that particular element and it will clear if anything is available. See, currently it is available, right. What does that send case web element will do, it will clear this data. After that, it will enter the data, means text, what we are mentioning here. So for that, where we are writing that one here, right. So it will fetch that username from properties file. So where is our properties file? Here, right. It will fetch this username from here and it is going to enter inside our application, that is admin. Okay, the same we mentioned here, you can see here the same we mentioned here. So in the same way, it will do for password as well. After entering the two, it will click on login, right. The same action is going to perform here. Okay, you can see this, it will perform the same. So now it got successfully logged into the login, orange HRM login action got successful. So after that, what I want to do now, so I want to see, now it is a different page, right. So login page is different. So now we are in orange HRM home page. So in this home page, we have different kind of tabs here. Okay, for example, if I want to add any employee to this orange HRM site, so how we can add, I just want to click on this PAM, I just want to click on this add employee, right. This is a scenario, for example. So we created one more separate class for that one, you can see here orange PAM page. Okay, so the same you can find it from here. Okay, here you can see PAM link. What is that PAM link? This one. Okay, I am going to click on this PAM link, so then only I am getting an option to add the employee, right. So for that, so what we are doing, we created one generic method here under generics class. So this method is going to perform mouse over and click with the help of actions class, right. So this is also one reusable method. And also, if you have any alerts are there in your application, we created one reusable method here. If you want to enter your test data along with some JavaScript, so you can create one more method. If you want to wait for a particular web element, you can create one reusable method. Okay, so likewise, we need to create all the reusable methods inside our generics class. So all these reusable methods we are going to use inside our all the pages. So now we are discussing about this PAM page, right. So for that, what I did here, I created one separate class here. You can see login page is different, PAM page is different. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add one employee here, right. I'm going to add one employee means, so what I'm going to do now, I want to click on this PAM button, I want to click on this add employee button. Okay, if you look into my script, what does this method will do, it will mouse over. Okay, for example, after coming to this page, your cursor will be here. Once your code came to this line, mouse over and click on element means, so then automatically your cursor will move like this and it will click on this PAM button and it will load your page. Okay, so after that, what we are doing here, I want to click on this add employee link, right? So for that also we are using the same method what we created inside our generics. We used this method inside our login page. We used that clicking on web element inside our login page, and also we used the same method inside our orange PIM page class as well, right? So now after coming to this page, it is going to click on this add employee method. So what I am doing here, I want to enter first name, after that I want to enter last name, right? So the same steps you can see here. You can see this send keys web element method we used for entering the username, okay, and also send keys web element we used to enter the first name on PIM page. Okay, I am going to enter here Selenium PIM, okay. After that III, last name is III. So we use two times here the same method where it is present inside our generics class. So after that what I'm going to do, click on save button. So this method also we are using. So means, so these are all the reusable methods we have to create in such a way that we can create only once, that is inside generics class. We can use n number of times throughout our application. So that is the main intention of page object model. We no need to wait, we no need to waste our time to create one more time. We can create only once. We can use n number of times based upon the requirements or based upon the scenario, right? So once that is done, I will click on the save button. Okay, if I fail to save, employee ID already exists. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem, we will do it one more time. Click on save. You can see it is already successfully created. So after that, again if I want to perform any other action, if I want to click on this job, okay, so if you want to click on the job, so how we will do, we will create one more method on the same page only, because this action is performing on the same page only. So to automate this scenario, I am going to create one more method under the same page only, okay. So this is for only two pages what I shown you. So likewise, if we consider Amazon application, we can have login page, we can have home page, we can have electronics tab, we can have electronics category, we can have kitchen category, we can have pets category, we can have fashion category, we can have kids wear, we can have men's wear, we can have women's wear. So for all those things we can create separate classes. At page level only we are going to segregating all these into different classes, right? So once if we created all these classes, we are going to just initializing all the web elements, means all the exports here. So then you can simply call all those exports into your actual test methods or actual methods for that particular page. So once it is done, okay, once it is done, so what is our next step? Okay, before that, first of all we are going to store all the values, right? So how we are going to store? With the help of properties file, I am going to store my application URL. With the help of properties file, I am going to store my username. With the help of properties file concept, I am going to store my password. With the help of properties concept, I am going to decide which browser I want to launch. For example, if I want to launch my Chrome browser, I can mention here Chrome. If I want to launch my browser with Edge driver, I will mention here Edge. So accordingly your browser is going to launch, right? So accordingly your browser is going to launch. So you can see here, so for login we already created one method here, right? For login we have already created. Likewise, okay, likewise, so now we created all the pages, right? For PIM page we created one separate class, for login page we created one separate class. So once if we created all the pages, so now our it's time to create our actual test case, okay. So for that you just go to your tests folder here, create one separate package, so where you are going to write our actual test case, right? So for example, this is my actual test case. You can see here, you can see here. So right now we created all these pages, right? So we need to create object for all those classes. For example, orange, I want to perform login operation. So for that we have already created one separate class called as orange HRM login. You can see orange login. So what this page will do, it will perform the login action, Okay, I want to use this method, I want to call this method into our actual test case. So how we can call? With the help of this object reference. Okay, if I want to call this method add employee PIM into my actual test case, how we can call? With the help of class object reference. Okay, so we created object reference for those particular classes. So then I am going to create test methods here. Okay, for example, I want to launch my application. Okay, so anyway we created a one application launch method inside our generics class. You can just directly call that method with the help of generics dot application launch. Okay, after that I want to do some login action, right? So anyway we created object here orange login, you can see here. So if you put one dot operator there, then it will automatically show you all the methods what are available there. You can see here login action is available. This login action is available inside our orange login class, right? So in the same way I want to add employee. Anyway we created one separate page here. So this method is available inside our orange PIMP class, right? Orange PIM page class. So likewise we need to create, this is the page object model, this is the main intention of page object model. Okay, so we can store all this data into XLSX document also. Okay, we can fetch all this data from XLSX document also. So that is called as data driven. Okay, if we are using XLSX or Word means, that is called as data driven. So once it is done, if there are any failures, okay, if there are any failures, we can create one more method for capturing the screenshot. Okay, if there is any reports, we can create a reports class for that one as well. You can see here I created one. Okay, you can see here you can see here I created one separate class for capturing the reports, and also if there are any failures, we are going to capture all the screenshots here under reports folder. We have one screenshots folder. You can see, let me open this one. You can see here if there are any failures, you will get the screenshot. Okay, so likewise we need to create. Okay, this is the folder structure of page object model. Okay, we need to segregate all the classes into page level. After that we need to create one properties class. After that we are going to create one actual test case class. So once that is done, where we are going to execute with the help of testing.xml file. So here you can simply mention our class name, that is my orange login. Let me execute, I will show you how it is going to work. Okay, orange HRM log, my orange login. So if I click on execute means, so then automatically it will launch our application and it will start execution part. Okay, you can see here it is launching the edge driver now. One second. Yeah, it is launching, and it launched the URL orangehrmlive.com. From where it is coming from? It is coming from the properties file. It entered the username and password, and it is coming to the home page of Orange HRM, and it is going to click on PIM, and it is going to click on add employee. After adding clicking on that PIM, it is going to click on add employee. So then it is going to enter the first name. Yeah, see, you can see automation by Selenium Tech. You can see there are 3 tests we have inside this my orange login. Priority 1, that is application launching, that is login, that is adding employee. And you can simply go to your test engine results. You can see all these methods got executed successfully. So likewise, if you have any other scenario, you can just create a separate pages and you can just execute. Okay, so this is how it will do. Yeah, this is how it will go. Okay, so that is all about page object model. Yeah, hi Ravish, or sir, this training is for daily basis. Yeah, obviously based upon your response I will try to keep this session on daily basis. The same timings from 7:15 or 7:30 we will start, because I will also have some work. Okay, I will also have some work till 8 or 7:30. So after 8 also no issues, I can conduct, but most probably after 7:30 only you can expect a session on daily basis. Okay, based upon your support only I am going forward to explore more for you. Okay, so now you people asked few questions. Actually it helped me a lot to explore more. Okay, without having any questions, so how, what is the use to conduct this session? So that's the main intention here. If you have any questions, you can directly mention me in the live chat, so accordingly we can discuss. Okay, so based upon your response only, based upon your availability only, I am also going to conduct the live session. Okay, with the help of these live sessions, at least I am going to provide you 1 or 2% of solution to you. Maybe it will be helpful for you. So that's the reason, that's the main intention for me. Okay, to share my knowledge with you people. Okay, so after that, thank you sir for your descriptive solution. I need to know what is your regular session time. I need to leave the session because I am having meeting at 10 p.m. Sorry for that. Yeah, thank you, sure. Thank you so much, Priya Brata. No problem. Thank you so much for your support and love towards this live session. So make sure that for every day, okay, every day the timings will be from after 7:30 only you can expect. Okay, so if I'm not mentioning any live session means I will upload one short video for you. Okay, for your information I will upload one short video if there is no session. So I will upload one short video saying that today it is not possible for me to do one live session. Okay, so hi Shravanivas, thank you. Please explain one class real-time environment. So I'm not getting Shravanivas, what you are exactly asking. One class real time environment means what I'm not getting. Okay, please let me know exactly what you are expecting. So far we discussed many things, Shravan Nivas and Priyabrata, and also for Ravish. So probably it will be after 7:30 p.m. And also one more point. So based upon your response only, I am going to conduct these live sessions on daily basis. If response is good, then there will be no issue for me. Yeah, Dattatri brother. Yeah, it's free cost only. Thank you so much for visiting the channel, Dattatri brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. It's really appreciating. Okay, I'm really appreciating for your time to participate in this live session. So come on, guys. If you have any other questions, you can just ping me in the live chat. Okay, so that I will respond you back. Okay, no problem, guys. So I am there for you to help you at least 1 or 2% from my end. Okay, so if you found it is completely helpful for you, so then no issues. I am also happy, you are also happy. But the main intention here is I want to share the knowledge what I am having to the people who are struggling to get a job from the automation point of view or from the manual testing point of view. At the same time, if you have any queries like how to clear the interview, how to, okay, how to automate the real time scenarios if you have any difficulties, and also how to prepare for interviews. Yeah, thank you so much, Dattadri brother. So please let me know if you have any other questions also. I am here to help you at any time. If not now, you can just ping me any one of our video under comment section, so that I will definitely go to provide you a solution for that. Shravanivas, any other question? So I'm not getting what you are expecting. Please explain one class real-time environment. So which you are expecting? Class means what? Real-time environment means on what basis, on which thing you want some real-time. Okay. So let me know. So the session will be held for coming 17 minutes. So till 8:30 I will be available. So don't feel hesitate to ask any questions or doubts. If you have, can feel free to directly mention in the live chat. Okay, so accordingly I will reply back to you. No problem, guys. Okay, so I need your more support. I need your support to conduct these sessions, and also soon I am planning to conduct mock interviews as well from our channel Selenium Tech Automation. For that, what all I need is your support only. If there is enough support, so I can conduct mock interviews. If there is no support, means to whom I will conduct the mock interviews. So that's the reason why, if there is enough support, if there are the people who are joining the live sessions, who are going through all our videos, so then definitely I will also be motivated towards to conduct the mock interviews, which will helpful a lot for you. Okay, yeah, it's really time industry accept. It's really time industry accept. What, brother? What it mean? It's really time industry. It's real time industry accept. No, I'm not getting anything, guys. Anything, if you have, please drop a like if you like this session, and also please feel free to ask me any questions if you have. It's definitely it is going to be a very good live session, because many people came now, and many people asked their questions. So thank you so much for each and everyone who participated and raised the questions what you have. At the same time, I will also gathering everything like one to one. Okay, so really it is helping me a lot to explore more videos. Okay, if you want any other videos also, you can just go to any one of our video and and there you can make one comment. So accordingly I will take that comment consideration, and I will make one video by the next day or 2 day or 3 day or after 1 week. Okay, so definitely I am going to conduct this session for every day at after 7:30 p.m. in the evening. If you are new also, if you are new to start your career also, no problem, I will be here to help you how to uh, go to this automation testing point of view. Okay, how to crack a job, what is the roadmap for that one. Yesterday I have uploaded what is a roadmap to become a automation test engineer. I clearly explained there 7 to 8 steps. If you not watched that video, please watch that video also. It will help you for at least 1 or 2%. Okay, if you are struggling to make some roadmap towards this automation testing, I made one dedicated video yesterday and I have uploaded that one. So please, if you want, you can check that video as well. Explain real-time work process in software industry. So actually, Shravanivas, so first what thing you need to learn is, if you are a beginner, okay, so I will suggest you, so first know the basics of testing. Okay, first you need to know the basics of testing, like what is testing, so how people are automating the applications, and what is manual testing. So after that, if there is any relatives or your friends who are working as an testers, software test engineers, so just connect with them, like ask them, so how from day one, so when you go to office, what you are doing on that particular day. Okay, for example, if you can ask me, I will go to my office. First I will go to my office and I will open my laptop. So thereafter, first I will check the Jira, so where we will get the tasks for the day in the form of user stories. Okay, so an user story may contain several number of test cases. Okay, first I will open my Jira. So there I will got to know what are all the assigned tasks for the day. So once if I go through all my assigned tasks, so then I will start my work. Like if there are any assigned test cases to me by the developer or manager, okay, or any defects, if I found any defects and I updated to my developer on yesterday, if he makes some around to fix that issue, means the next day morning I need to go to retest that particular defect, whether it is properly fixed or not. Okay, and also if there are any other assigned tasks or not, I am going to check. So once if I check if there are any assigned tasks to automate, means, so then simply I am going to write some logic for all those things. Okay, so once that is done, I am going to execute my test case. Okay, if it is working fine, no issues, again you can go to your Jira and update the status of that particular assigned test case, whether it is completed, whether it is still it is inactive, or if you found any issues, again you are going to assign back to that particular developer to fix the issue. So later on, by end of the day, once my job is done, so I am going to send my results to my team lead. Okay, so if there are any defects, we are going to discuss by end of the day on our stand up meetings, saying that, so how much I completed today, how much work is pending for tomorrow, so why it is not going to complete today. If there are any blockers, we are going to update. Okay, we are going to update to our team lead. Okay, during this meeting all our team members will join, so they will update all their statuses during this call. Okay, after automating, we are going to send all the reports to our lead. saying that how much percentage we are getting, how much percentage of work is completed for the day. So by the next day also again we will follow the same process only, coming, opening your Outlook, checking the emails, and checking your Jira, checking your user stories, checking your assigned test cases, starting your automating the assigned test cases. So once that is done, we are going to send the reports to your team lead, and also this is how actually this is a process. Okay, can you explain real time software industry more helpful? Use it's my request. That's what the Tatri brother I am telling. Real time means that is the things what people are doing. First they will go to office, they will open their laptops or they will open their computers. So once they open, they will check their Outlook first. Okay, any updates from the organization, any updates from the manager, any updates from the team, any updates from the lead. Okay, so once that is done, immediately you are going to check your Jira or any other like defect tracking tool or test management tool. So there you will find all your assigned tasks for the day, okay, which is going to provided by the business analyst or your lead or your manager. Okay, so after that, so what you are going to do, you are going to pick that assigned tasks for the day. Okay, then you are going to automate your test scripts. Okay, so then you are going to automate your test scripts with the help of Maven project, or with the help of page object model, or with the help of BDD Cucumber framework, or with the help of hybrid framework. Any kind of framework what you are using, you can use the same only. Okay, so once that is done, you are starting writing your scripts with the help of testng if you are using testng. So once that is done, with the help of testng.xml file, you are going to execute your automated test case. Okay, so after that execution, if you found any issues, so again you are going to test it one more time. Again you are going to test it one more time for cross verification. So if that is a really defect, so then you are going to raise the defect to that particular developer or respective developer, saying that I found a defect here, can you please check that, along with your screenshot, along with your ticket ID you are going to assign to that particular developer. So once the developer came into picture, and he needs to analyze why it is failing, and he will make some code fixes. Okay, so once that is done, if that is properly working fine on his developing environment, so then again he will assign that ticket back to you, saying that your name at the rate, he will tell you like it is working fine now, can you please retest. So you are going to see all the console results, right? Okay, it is working fine. At the same time you are going to check your reports, that is extent report or LU report or any kind of report, testng report or HTML report, any kind of report. So based upon the report, you are going to analyze the test results. So all are working fine or not. If any test case got failed, I am going to capture the screenshot, because that is a proof for us, right? If there is any screenshot which is getting, means that is the failure only. So along with that failure, you are going to check with your developer. If there are no failures, you are going to send these details to your lead, saying that by end of the day I worked this one and I completed. If there is any pending task, I'm going to take this by tomorrow, I will first off I will complete this one. Okay, at the same time we will have daily stand up calls. I have one more meeting, how things went now, and if there is any pending tasks or if there is any blockers, how we are going to overcome by tomorrow, what is your plan for tomorrow. Okay, so these are all the details we are going to discuss, or these are all the details we are going to see in real time. Okay, why, what happened here, it is not working. Am I audible? Am I audible properly, guys? Because my network is little bit low. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? I lost my network now. Am I audible? Am I audible? I'm audible properly, guys, because my network is little bit low. Is it okay? Any other questions, Shravan Nivas or Dattatri brother? Any other questions? Can I have? Please ask me in the questions. You can just let me know from the live chat. Okay, let me check. Any other questions, Shravan Nivas or Dattatri brother? Come on, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me here from the live chat. Come on, guys. Any other questions? Please respond, guys. So that we have only 5 minutes from now. 8:30. I'm going to close this session. If you have any other questions, you can directly let me know from the live chat. Okay. Here network is not good today. Here rainy, heavy rainy and thunderstorms will be there. So that's the reason why maybe network is very slow. Come on, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know from the live chat. Sorry, guys, if you are not getting very good quality or quality of sound. Okay, so please support the channel. Please support the videos. Please support the streams. Okay, please support the live sessions. Again, I'm requesting you all. If you are new to my channel, please check out any one of the video. Okay, please go through all my videos. There I am clearly providing with you, clearly providing all the notes as for each and every concept in a clear way. Okay, you don't feel any difficulty. Okay, I am just discussing what is what. I am not going in depth. What is required for you, I am updating till there only. I am not going in deeper to make confusion. Okay, so I am just explaining in a fair way, so where you can learn it easily. Okay, maybe all these videos will help you to clear an interview, to get a good job. So again, I am requesting everyone, please support the channel. Yeah, sure, Shravan Nivas. So I will be there, no problem. Okay, I will be there. I will give you assurance. So to don't worry about anything. So I am here at any time. You can just ping me if you have live sessions, and also if you have any queries, you can directly go to any one of our videos. You can just directly ping a comment over there. So accordingly, I will also receive an email, a notification from the Gmail. So where this channel is related linked with. So from that Gmail, I will receive your comment. So based after I received, I will go through your comment. So accordingly, I will respond. Yeah, sure, and thank you so much for that Audrey brother. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I am really appreciating, guys. So I need your support, guys, soonly, because I am also planning to do more and more. So where people will get help, because many people are there who are struggling to get the jobs, who are struggling to understand the concept, who are struggling to write the logics, who are struggling. The people, they will clear two round of interview, they are failing at last round, that is managerial round or technical round. Okay, so for all these kind of things, I am here to help you, no worries. So please support the channel and our videos. If possible, please share our videos to our friends or colleagues, so that they will also learn about the concepts what we are discussing now. Okay, which will helps them a lot, and also which will helps our channel as well. Okay, your share will helps the video to recommend for more people from YouTube point of view. Okay, so I am also expecting the support in terms of anything. Okay, so please, guys, please support the channel, and please support the streams, and please support the videos, and also please help me to provide you more videos. Okay, your support and your help makes me a lot for me to do more videos from both manual testing and automation testing point of view. So where you can get easily the job, where you can get a very good job, and also where you will become a good automation test engineer. So please, guys, definitely I am uploading videos what is required actually for a testers. Okay, to start their career as an automation tester or manual tester. Okay, so I am exactly uploading the videos with the limited content only. I am not going to take more than 1 hour or 2 hours of video for a particular topic. I am just uploading a video with the only 20 minutes or 30 minutes, maximum 40 minutes video will be there. If that video is 40 minutes means something is there to know very clearly. If the video is only 10 or 20 minutes means I am I am making that video in very simple way. Okay, so please guys, I need more support from everywhere, and okay, definitely I hope you people will support our channel and our videos. And also please guys, whenever even from YouTube also you are not getting notifications when I'm going to uh, keep a live session. Some people are getting notifications on their mobiles, on their emails, but not all the peoples are joining with me to discuss all these things. But make sure that if you receive or not receive, just daily at least one time you can check out my channel if there is any new video available. If it is not available today, maybe tomorrow also I will be available, and also I will come up with some new videos on daily basis. Okay, if I'm not uploading any video today means maybe tomorrow I will expect. If not uploading on tomorrow means maybe in the next day we will upload. So likewise, okay, maybe because I will also have some other extra works, right? Because of that also it is not possible for me to upload videos on daily. Okay, and also sometimes I felt like even if I am uploading videos also people are not showing interest or enthusiasm to learn the skills or concepts what I'm uploading. So I can feel that one. So because of that also there will be some delay on uploading the videos. Okay, so please guys, if you support, if you provide enough support, that will be helpful for me, and also which helps me to upload more videos. Okay, so anything else guys, we will close the session now. Okay, if anything else you can ping me. If nothing is there, we can drop off now. I will be there for coming 3 more minutes till 8:33. I will keep this stream. Before that, if I get any questions, we will extend. If not, we will close the meeting. I mean, we will close this session at 8:34 exactly. No problem. Okay, we'll close at 8:34 if we don't have any questions to discuss. If we have questions, you can ping me in the live chat. We will extend the session based upon your question. Choice is yours guys. Come on guys. Come on guys. Come on guys. 1 second. Any other questions guys? Come on guys. If nothing is there, we can drop off now in couple of minutes. If anything is there, let me know in the live chat. Okay, come on guys. If anything is there, let me know in the live chat. If nothing is there, we can drop off at 8:35. 2 more minutes is there. It's your wish. Okay, come on guys. Thank you so much, Selenium Tech Automation. Datadri brother, the channel name is Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, thank you so much for being in the live. Thank you so much. And also please go through all our videos, and also if you found any one of our video helps you at least 1 or 2% for you, please drop a like, and also please don't forget to share our videos to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn the concept. The main intention here is knowledge shareable. Okay, knowledge share is the very important for you and also for me, for everyone. If anyone knows something means, if they share to some people, they will also know. Okay, so in that way we need to proceed. Yeah, thank you so much, thank you so much, Datadri brother, thank you so much. My side is done. Okay, we can close it now. Then four people are watching, so I am expecting a reply from those people also. Okay, I will extend it for 2 more minutes. I will extend it for 2 more minutes. If anything is there, you can directly ping me in the live chat. If nothing is there, you can just ping in the live chat saying that nothing, 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 so that we can close this session. Okay, come on guys, confirm me on that one. So tomorrow also we can have the same session at the same time. Okay, after 8 o'clock. If possible, I will try to come at 7:30 only. If work is not there, if any work is there, I will come at 8 o'clock sharp. Okay, no problem. Come on guys. 6 people are watching. Come on guys, you can let me know the status, whether you need more questions or answers to know, or if nothing is there, you can just ping me, we can drop off. Okay, come on guys, please like the stream guys, please like the stream. Your each and every like matters here for me, so accordingly, come on guys. My side is done. 5 people are watching currently. Come on guys. Come on guys, if anything is there we can continue, if nothing is there we can drop off, no problem. Come on guys, 6 people are watching, so please let me know the status whether to continue or we can drop off now. So if nothing is there, tomorrow we will connect at 7:30 p.m. sharp. Okay, so is it okay now? I'm closing the session. I'm closing the session. Is it okay new? Okay, is it okay now to close the session, or do you want me to continue till 9 o'clock? Please let me know the status guys, because people are watching. If I close means that is not the good practice. Okay, so that's why I'm asking to you, is it okay if I close the session now, or do you want to continue till 9 o'clock? Okay, come on guys, my side is done, my side is done. 4 people are watching, so what to do? I'm in a bit confusion now, so whether to close or whether to continue till 9 o'clock, because I don't get any response in the live chat. So that's the reason I am waiting for you response. Okay, so please confirm me on that one. If nothing is there, we can drop off. If anything is there, we will continue. No problem, guys. Come on, guys. Three watching now. Can I close it now? Can I end the session now? Okay. Okay, I am going to close the session now. So 8:40 p.m. Okay, closing guys, session is closing now. Thank you so much guys for being in the live chat for a long time. Okay, tomorrow we will connect at 7:30 p.m. sharp. Okay, be ready for that one. And if you have any questions, you can directly ping in the live chat on tomorrow. Until then, take care everyone. Have a nice day. Signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. Good night. Take care guys. Okay, bye guys. Bye to everyone. Chalo, bye.